Today we'll be looking at this new Wheelock CH70 Chime Strobe. I found this at my local restore, and let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so as you can see, this is second generation because it has the griddle without the Wheelock lettering, and it has the reflectors in the strobe here, and the griddle here is a little bit smaller. So it looks a lot like a Wheelock CH70 speaker strobe, but this is actually a chime strobe. And the reason you can tell is on the back, it has this module here. As you can see, there's lots of little different options you can do for this chime strobe. It's 2-wire operation. I'm sorry, it's 4-wire operation. Wow, I'm out of it today. So this strobe positive goes in here, the chime positive goes in here, strobe negative, chime negative, obviously. And you can adjust this alarm using the tone selection here. So I can change the tone to lower pitched or higher pitched, and I can also change the volume. So I'm sure you guys are excited to hear this alarm, so why don't we go ahead and test it out. Here we go. And for a chime strobe, it's actually rather loud. So say we want to set it on a higher pitch. What we can do is we can take a small screwdriver like this one, put it in here, and turn the tone up to here. And then the chime goes up in pitch. Here's the highest setting it can go, up to a concert F, and then you can take it all the way down here to a concert B. You'll also notice there are two options here, SS and Vibe. What this means is this is single stroke and vibrating chime, meaning that if it's on single stroke, it has to have something coding the chime, while it's on vibrating, it will code itself to pulse. And I actually have two chime strobes now. One is a Cerberus Pytronics chime strobe with a Wheelock module on it, and here we have an original Wheelock chime strobe. So, because I have two, I can do something I've wanted to do for a very long time. Well, there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this really short little video on this new device here. And with that being said, like the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel.